There's a bit of Stevie Nicks going out there all the way to Sue Evans. I don't know, she probably moved now. I was going to say living on Suttons, but she probably doesn't. No, it was probably 30 years ago when she lived there. Right, and next up with a very special request. It's a good friend of mine, it's Paul Jones, yes, married to Nicola. He said to me, Williams, I want a request on Let It Snow, and I want it on now. Now I'm thinking, I want to snow the Christmassy songs. Let's not bother with the Christmas songs. But then he said, Williams, I want a Christmas tune playing, and I want it now, and I want Let It Fucking Snow played now. Okay then, Paul. And that was Boyz II Men going out there to Paul Jones. Let it snow. He must be in the Christmas mood all of a sudden. Yes, Paul Jones, massive fan of the Honey G-Star. Well, that is one girl who won't be getting on the Sounds of SALFORD. That's all I'm saying. That was Boyz II Men with Let It Snow going out there to Pod. In fact, she has picked 3 in a row. Yes, 3 in a row. Simple to do. Pick a hit from the 60s, the 70s, and the 80s. Yes, it's our songstress, main fan, Maria Smythe Barlow. She said, Williams, get some You've Lost That Loving Feeling on. Well, I think I'm getting it back all of a sudden. She also said, get some Floyd on, Another Brick in the Wall. And to finish that on, I've never been to me. Well, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. What sort of lyrics are them? But I'll throw it on anyway. 1 from the 60s, 1 from the 70s, and 1 from the 80s.
You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips, and there's no tenderness like grief in your fingertips. You're trying hard not to show it, but baby, I know it. You lost that love and feeling. Oh, that love and feeling. You lost that love and feeling. Now it's gone, gone, gone. Whoa. Now there's no welcome look in your eyes when I reach for you. And girl, you're starting to criticize little things I do. It makes me just feel like crying, 'cause baby, something beautiful found it. You lost that love and feeling. Oh, that love and feeling. You lost that love and feeling. Now it's gone, gone, gone. Whoa, whoa. Baby, baby, I'd get down on my knees for you. If you would only love me like you used to do, yeah. We had a love you don't find every day. So don't let it slip away. Baby, I beg you please, I need your love, I need your love, and bring it on back, bring it on back, bring back that love and feeling. Oh, that love and feeling. Bring back that love and feeling, 'cause it's gone, gone, gone. And I can't go on. Oh, bring back that love and feeling. Oh, that love and feeling. Bring back.
We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom. Teacher, leave them kids alone.
for a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I've no doubt you dream about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I ran out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please, lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Won't you share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lies? Oh, I've been to Nice and the Isle of Greece while I sipped champagne on a yacht. I moved like Harlow in Monte Carlo and showed them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and I've seen some things that a woman ain't supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me.
Hey, you know what paradise is? It's a lie. A fantasy we create about people and places as we'd like them to be. But you know what truth is? It's that little baby you're holding, and it's that man you fought with this morning.